Okay, so y is actually a to the power x, and we need to know the differentiation of this. We have to prove the differentiation of this. So basically, suppose if you have 2 to the power x, differentiation is actually 2 to the power x ln 2. So that's the formula, that's what we will prove. So we will see the derivation of this thing. So let's start with the very first line. We have y equals a to the power x. I will take ln on both sides of the equation. So that will be ln y ln a to the power x. So ln y, if I shift this thing here, I will get x ln a. Then I will start differentiating this entire line. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides of the equation. Differentiating with respect to x both on both sides of the equation. So at the left side, differentiation of ln y is actually what? 1 by y. And since it's an implicit equation, you have to differentiate y again, or you can treat it as like a chain rule. You have to do, since we are doing we are differentiating y here, so we have to like ddx of y, the chain rule thing. So 1 by y into dy by dx. At the right side, suppose if you have 5 into x, the answer should be 5, right? Similarly, x into ln a, so x is 1, your answer should be ln a. So from here, if I subject dy by dx, if I cross multiply this, we get y ln a. Y is actually a to the power x. So dy by dx is a to the power x ln a. Okay, so if we see some example here, if you need to differentiate 5 to the power x, your answer should be 5 to the power x ln 5. Then suppose 10 to the power x, it should be 10 to the power x ln 10. So basically we are more familiar with this one, e to the power x. If we differentiate e to the power x, we get e to the power x ln e. And since ln e is basically what? Log e base e, which is 1. That's why whenever we differentiate e to the power x, we just prefer writing only e to the power x. We skip this part because eventually this becomes 0. But the actual rule is this one, 5 to the power x into ln 5. Similarly, e to the power x ln e. And that's why the differentiation of a to the power x is actually a to the power x ln a, and that's the reason, that's the derivation of this.